What's the meaning of chary? Chary. Chary.
Chary. Chary. Chary is an adjective that describes someone who is cautious, hesitant, or inclined to be careful before taking any risks or making decisions. It can also refer to someone who is suspicious or wary of other people's motives. Someone who is chary might take their time to consider all the possible consequences before acting, and they may be reluctant to trust others quickly. This word can be used to describe a range of situations where caution is advisable, such as financial investments, personal relationships, or decision-making in general.